Hi everyone, if you have recently downloaded the Qwen app and wondering on how to sign in, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in the Qwen app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Qwen app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, simply tap on to sign in button right here. Then to sign in, you can simply choose one of these. Now tap on to on. After that, continue. Now you are signing in. Now you can see you have been signed in. Now simply tap on to continue. Just like this. And now you can see you have been signed in. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.